guys, it's the three crazies coming at you right now.
And it's dark today right now because we're closed up in our house are boarded, so it's boarded up because of whoever knows us. We're in Florida, guys, and we're about to get a couple days in, gonna get hit with Hurricane Irma. So my house is boarded, and we'll show you a house in a little bit.
Please pray for us.
We pray for this family. We stressing out a little bit, but hope everything goes good, guys, and we show you around. And right now, Hurricane Irma has winds of 120 miles per hour. It's a Category 3, but it still hasn't gotten to the water yet, guys. So we don't know if it goes up or way up to Category 5 or 4. So we don't know what's gonna happen right now. But we can show you around the house, guys. So let's get it. Let's pop.
Let's show y'all how.
Hold on, wait, let me get off the couch. I was sitting on the corner.
So, if you can see, we have candles and all that just in case the light goes out.
And in case you guys didn't know what these things are right here, those things they have like fuel in them, I think, and then you put them on fire and they light up. That just gives you light.
We had.
As y'all know, we got a pool.
Supplies because, you know.
Look at this, look at
the water
this.
goes out, we have everything we need.
We have
All in that corner.
And more
we have way more in here.
So, and over here, we have our window protected. So, in case the winds are coming in. So, we're practically locked in this house from tomorrow on until. And we're just asking for prayers, guys, and good vibes. So, you know, we're locked in this house for now.
We should show them my window. We were writing all over my window with marker. Go away, Irma.
Which is why you're working around, but we can show you the other lower windows over here. We put tape on our windows, I guess. Put tape on our windows, and pretty much we're just preparing, move a lot of stuff around today, and
Well, yeah, that's it. That's practically what we have.
we brought our little baby in here. She's a little baby in here, so she don't get saved by the hurricane, you know, a little scared.
She doesn't get scared. Okay, guys, so
Right now, we're just gonna hit it. We're gonna give you more details about this hurricane when we're going on. Later on, maybe tomorrow, right?
yeah, maybe tomorrow.
We'll give you some more details about this hurricane. So pray for us. Good vibes.
All right. See ya next time.
And these are three crazy guys.